Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up Claude Code in Xcode, step by step. Whether we are building iOS apps or improving our coding workflow with AI, this guide will help us get everything running smoothly. Let's get started. Now, since we are using Windows on the cloud, we cannot show you directly, but we have images here to guide you through. All we need to do is open the Xcode application on our Mac. If we are on a Mac, we will see the interface right away, just like this. From here, all we need to do is go to the upper left corner and open the settings. Once we are in the settings, we will go to the Intelligence section. We will see it listed right away. We just need to click on Intelligence. Under Intelligence, we will see the Cloud option in Xcode. We just need to click on it. Once we click it, we will be redirected to the cloud. From there, we sign in so we can start connecting Cloud to Xcode. When we sign in, we will be asked to authorize our account. Once we authorize our account, we are ready to start using Xcode with Cloud. We can now integrate them. Both are connected and ready to go. We can start our projects with Xcode and Cloud working together. And that is how we successfully set up Claude Code with Xcode.